Right here we're looking at the flat sling grinder. I'm going to go over what's all included. I'll be putting up pictures of this as well as assembly instructions, hopefully within the next week or so, but I wanted to give everybody a chance to look at the whole thing as it's assembled with its parts. And I will be having these available for sale today. Today is April 12th. And so I'll walk through quickly what's included. The base and the main upright. In this version, both of these brackets as well as this hard plating is included. These are spring supports for the gas shock, which is not included. This is the same one that the GIB 2.0 uses, and I'll get that part number on the website. There's another pair of these spring supports. Starting up here, the handle and the idler arm. All of this mounts to an extended arm that has plates that mount from the upright for this arm to get a little further out and to give it a good solid pivot support. On the inside, these three pieces are the exact same as the GIB 2.0. Still require the same drilling. Back behind there you can see a couple plates. These are spacer plates. On a couple of my builds I've needed two, and on some of them, depending on the spacing that I've put here and elsewhere, I've only needed one. Two of these will be included so that you do have them should you need them. What you'll have to get are any of the bolts. This one is 3/8. The motor mounts down here are also 3/8. These are 1/4 inch, as are the ones on the back of the plating. This is my first version, so it does show 3/8. The newer one just requires 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch there, 1/4 inch there, 1/4 inch there, 1/4 inch there. You might notice there's a lot of 1/4 inch. You'll need to get a motor and wheels. This one is set up with a 4-inch contact wheel and two 2-inch. You can also do two 3-inch. You could do two 4-inch if you wanted. My main recommendation is if you're going to grind against it, make sure you get the coated. And then the idler tensioner. And then you'll need the 1/2-inch bolts for there, and there. And that right there is the wheel sling. Stand not included. I just built this quick when I needed to get them up off the floor and into my new grinding room.